Yeah, hi Dale, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your part for you, and it's all working as it should be. So basically, I've taken it apart, and you know, it is very, very clean. It is a very, very clean part, to be honest with you. It's probably one of the cleanest that I've actually had. It's like new. So yeah, I've taken it apart. I've checked the micro switch for you as I usually do. I've also, you know, given the cogs a bit of a clean. Not that they actually needed it, but I did give them a good clean for you. And I've put a new laser in there. I've just powered it up, so I'll just turn it up for you. So you can hear it all playing as it should be there. So yeah, it's not a lot to report basically. It's just a case of a new laser, which is common on the 55s and the 54s. So yeah, that's all done. You got your 6-month warranty on that. So yeah, any problems with that laser specifically in the next 6 months, you know, send it back, no questions asked, and we do the repairs for you. But you know, not that you should. You know, I don't get money back at all. So you know, I do, you know, a lot of them, probably thousands now. So yeah, all right, Dale. Thank you very much, and you know, leave us good feedback if you're happy with the job. I'm sure you will be. Thanks again. Have a good day and look after yourself with this COVID stuff. Cheers, buddy.